Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Trello account step by step clearly. Visit the Trello website by typing trello.com into your browser's address bar. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be presented with a few options for signing up. You can choose to sign up using your Google account. Alternatively, you can enter your email address manually. If you opt to use your email, type it into the provided field. Next, create a strong password and enter it in the password field. Make sure your password meets the security requirements stated on the page. Once you have filled in the required information, click on the Create New Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Trello. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Trello site. After verification, you may be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in any additional details as requested, such as your name or organization. Once you have completed your profile, click on the Continue button. You may then be guided through a brief onboarding tutorial. Follow the on-screen instructions to familiarize yourself with Trello's features. Congratulations! You are now successfully registered with your Trello account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.